The Guam Power Authority is in London right now meeting with insurance officials regarding the Cabras generators that went down during the explosion at the power plant last month. Consolidated Commission on Utilities Commissioner Simon Sanchez tells PNC that GPA General Manager John Benavente, Acting CFO Cora Montalano, and Commissioner Francis Santos and Pedro Guerrero are meeting with representatives from the Lloyds of London insurance firm for a face-to-face discussion on the status of Cabras 3 and 4. The two baseload generators are covered by insurance through Lloyds of London by up to $300 million. Sanchez says the meeting is merely to keep the insurance firm abreast of the latest developments regarding Cabras 3 and 4. Sanchez also spoke with us about Governor Eddie Calvo's concern regarding replacement of the two baseload units that went down. Yesterday, the governor told PNC that he's asked the U.S. EPA for an extension on the exemption of the Clean Air and Water Act. Currently, at 5 years, the governor has asked U.S. EPA Administrator Gina McCarthy to extend that exemption by up to 15 years.
The governor's right. It's going to take hundreds of millions of dollars to replace Cabras 4 and possibly Cabras 3, hopefully not. But as you've covered, we have a $300 million insurance policy that's supposed to, will replace that capacity. So that's not really affected by EPA mandates. But hopefully the insurance will cover whatever the exposure is and not the community, and so it's not going to come out of the directly come out of the pockets of the ratepayers. I mean, we're paying $10 million a year for insurance. That's what the policy is for.
Sanchez notes that GPA typically travels to London once a year or every other year to meet with Lloyds of London to review their insurance policy. While there, GPA officials will also be reviewing their insurance policy in addition to providing an update on the Cabras generator situation.